Hello! In this video I will show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on Oppo Find X2. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Edge, then click search and click install. Now click open. And here you can set this browser as your default browser, or you can click on now. Here you have to confirm your data and privacy settings. And as you can see, my Microsoft Edge browser is now installed and ready to use. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.